you can set up the alarm into a specific day in future. Oh my god, until 2099. So long time for this watch. Super. It lights up very well the display. Good day to you all. Today we will be unboxing and reviewing the W-202. For this watch I have paid 15 euros. It was on sale. Let's open the box. To be honest, I haven't seen this, so it's the first time. We'll be looking at it together. This is the box, and here we have the user guide. So this watch uses a 3294 module, and here is the operation guide and for that module. This is the standard box from my local retail, so it is 15 euros. And this would be the watch packed in this plastic bag. We'll put this aside, and this is the foil that protects the display. We do not care about it, and yes, it is very beautiful. For sure, it is very similar to the B640, except that the case is black and it is entirely from resin. The strap, it's not from the F series, so it's kind of a little different. It is so flexible. Interesting. Alright, let's start and see some dimensions in regards to this case. So we got here a case of 36 millimeters in diameter, and the lug to lug would be 35 millimeters, the lug to lug. The height of this watch is 9 millimeters, so pretty thin watch. I know that from the internet that it is 25 grams, so it is very light. The case itself, it is made from plastic. It uses dark colors, and the only contrasting color that we see is the 50 millimeters water resist. What we have more is the adjust pusher, which is covered in the case, so it's hard to press it by mistake. And we have the light pusher. It uses two LEDs, one here and one here. Now let's see how this LED is visible in the dark. Super. It lights up very well the display. The other pusher that we see here is the start stop pusher and the mode pusher. On bottom of the display we have the illuminator feature. Now let's switch a little to the back case. The back case is made of stainless steel, and it is a brushed metal. We have the 3294 module number and the W202 model name, and for sure the resistance of 5 bars, and it's made in China. From the timekeeping mode, if we press start stop, nothing happens. If we press light, we have an LED which is around 3 seconds, I would say. And here we have the adjust pusher. Therefore, if we press adjust, the second will start to blink, and now we are in time setup mode. If we press mode, we switch to hours, then minutes, month, day, month, and this is year. Let's check just to make sure. Interesting. If we press light pusher, it toggles in between 24 or 12-hour format, and if we press start stop, we adjust to the desired value. So this would be, yes, this is the year, so it goes until until 2099. Long time for this watch. Now we are in 2024. To save, we press again adjust. Now in the timekeeping mode, it shows the time, the date, and the year is switched to day of the week. One press of mode pusher, we get into the alarm menu. Start stop will enable the hourly chimes. This is responsible for the hourly chimes, and this is responsible for activation of the alarm. And to adjust the alarm, we have to press adjust. With start stop we select the desired value, and with mode we switch to the next item that we need to adjust. And as we can see here, you can set up the alarm into a specific day in future. So it is not only daily alarm, we can adjust the alarm in a specific day from the future. Adjust will save the setup. To time pressing mode, we enter into the stopwatch. This is the timer function, and if it is 000, it means that it will start to count down from 24 hours. To reset, we press adjust, and again to select the needed countdown time we press adjust, then we select the Z value again like we adjust the watch. To save we hit adjust again. Now let's check if we have auto repeat of the timer. Then 3 times pressing mode, we enter into the stopwatch. Start stop will start and stop the stopwatch, and adjust will trigger it to 0. And it is nice that in the top corner we have also the time showing. Good. Now I know a specific feature for this watch is that it flashes also when the chime is ringing, and I guess this is activated by maybe long press start stop. Yes, now the icon related to the flash, it is activated. Therefore when the watch will signal that it is sharp hour, we will also have the flashlight. Now let's switch a little to the strap. So as mentioned at the beginning, the strap, it is very light, it is very flexible. Indeed is flexible, and also the watch is kind of, it feels like more like a rubber than a hard plastic case. Therefore the friction is very high. Now let's see how it feels on the hand. The strap is long enough, so you do not have to worry if you have a thicker hand. Yes, the watch indeed 25 grams, they do not feel at all. It is very light and it does not look small on your wrist. For sure you cannot wear it on a shirt. You need to have a t-shirt or something more casual. Feels very well. To be honest, for 15 euros this watch is beautiful. So we have the colors from the F91 W watch. The pushers, they work very smooth. Therefore I definitely recommend, if you need a watch, let's say that you do not need the F91, so you are somehow bored of it, you can easily choose this one because the colors are very well chosen. Good. Thank you for your attention, and I definitely recommend this watch. Thank you, and have a great day.